On Tuesday, several NGOs, including the Public Association for Assistance to Free Economy, Human Rights Club, Property Committee, Article 13, Business Program for Human Rights Lawyers, held a citizens forum to discuss the protection of property rights. The event was financed by the National Endowment for Democracy. During the forum, well-known local lawyer Fuad Agayev declared, "Property rights, specifically real estate rights, are being seriously violated in Azerbaijan. There is no point for comparison for such violations in other former Soviet states or in the Near East. During the reign of former President Heydar Aliyev, these kinds of violations didn't happen. The government is expropriating private property and illegally relocating them on the pretext that the property is being used for state needs." The participants also said that nearly 5,000 people have been evicted from the area near where the President Winter Boulevard is being built, and that the executive power of Baku City is carrying out the demolition of homes based on the general plan of Baku. However, the time frame for this plan expired in 2005. Despite the court decisions requesting that the demolition of homes be ceased, the demolition process is still continuing. The illegal demolition of the Institute for Peace and Democracy Institute is one example. According to Agayev, the main reason for the evictions is that a group of oligarchs want to seize valuable real estate in central Baku, where the cost of 100 square meters is anywhere from 200,000 to 700,000 manats. Agayev proposed preparing a draft law on compensation for victims of social and economic violations. Another lawyer, Shafa Jamazadeh, spoke out too. "For the second time in our history, citizens' property rights are being violated in Azerbaijan. Once was during the early 20th century when the wealthy were victims, but now it's the poor who are suffering." During the event, participants noted that little compensation has been provided for residents who have been moved out of their homes. For example, the owner of a flat in Nasimi district received just 825 manats for 1 square meter. Residents of 4 5-floor buildings near the district were moved to houses in Kashla settlement, which they say are unfit for habitation. Residents of 4 9-floor buildings near Flag Square were forced to leave their homes. At present, a 9-floor building in Aliyev Street is being demolished, although it's still inhabited by residents. Jamazadeh said that it's impossible to defend property rights through the court system. There's a growing problem and the community needs to get involved in order to find a solution. The participants agreed to lobby the local and international communities for the protection of property rights.